Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to download FLAC high quality audio files from Telegram? Here is a simple guide to help you get started. First, join a Telegram group or channel that shares FLAC files. Use the search bar to find relevant music channels if needed. Next, you navigate your way to the FLAC file in the channel. Tap on it to start downloading. You can play it on Telegram or save it to files. You can rename it for easy identification. And that's it guys. Now you can enjoy high quality FLAC audio right from Telegram. Happy listening. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.